Today I boiling spaghetti. This is for party, so I have to cook a lot. Party coming. So this is spaghetti. I have to boil it 20 minutes. It will take time to boiling. Okay, this is spaghetti sauce. It's very easy. From the can and just put it in the pot right here and put the meatball in. Of course, I put a little bit twist, my flavor. You know, I have to put this chicken broth powder a little bit to make a good taste. Of course, this is Asian cooking. And I have another, of course, I use the lao hard gel. Drop in here a little bit, make a curing flavor. Bomb.com. This is right here. I put all corn. It's empty bottle right now. Put it here. It's bomb.com. Believe that. It's so good. Refreshing. Little sour. Little spicy. Little sweetness a little bit. And creamy taste. And to make things very easy, you buy this brand. This brand spaghetti sauce. It's all good. It's very good. But you have to fix taste on your own. Just a tiny bit. Just topping hot sauce. And topping little chicken powder to make a taste. That's it. And throw in the pot right there. And add a little bit water because it's very thick. Very thick. This one have a little bit left in there. Don't want to lose any juice. Yes, very thick. You have to add a little bit water. And then meatball drop in. Voila. So good. Cooking spaghetti, you have to take time, like at least 20 minutes because a spaghetti is so hard, so dry, and then you're gonna cook down and make it nice and soft. And after that, everybody enjoy, you know, put them together. People are gonna love it. Yep. Okay, let's start boiling now. Okay, I think that's ready to take it off from the stove. Being ready. And when you make a party, you know, anything make you easy to prepare, do it. And quality at the same time because you have to fix the taste just a little bit. I'm all about just topping the taste, and it becomes bomb.com. It is so good. Spaghetti, you guys. This is lao. They call kapun, but this is tomato sauce. Okay, it's very hot right now. It's done. Turn it off. Turn the stove. Turn off. Yep. That's it. Now we come to the spaghetti, let them cook down about, I would say about 10 minutes because the noodles still look hard. Basically I cook for 20 minutes. Yeah, 20 minutes to be good. Alright guys, let them cook. Yes, this is like over 25 minutes. This noodle is so hard, so I have to boil it. I have to cook down. It's very soft. Okay guys. Almost finished. Okay, spaghetti ready. So ready to go to bucket. Ready? Ready to go to the bucket. Yes. Yummy. Oh yes. You don't have to go to Italian to eat spaghetti. You can make at home and cheaper. You can make at home and cheaper. And taste better. That's right. So you don't have to go to restaurant. You don't have to. So easy to make. Look at this. Look at all the meatball, guys. Look at that. So easy to make. This is what we do. You know, so I tell people, cook at home, eat at home, very cheap and quality. You go to Italian restaurant, they make sauce. They look very terrible, you know. They don't really care about to give you the best look, the best taste, nothing. It's so easy to make. You just close your eye and do it. Everybody can do it. That's why, you know, I say, you know, cook at home, eat at home, and happy hour at home, party at home. Save that way. Safety. Yeah. Big enough for the party. Oh yes, oh yes. Wow, look at this. Look at this. spaghetti done. This is the key. You put the oil in here in the noodle, make them not stick together. That's the key how to cook spaghetti noodle. So put the oil together in here. That's done. Alright, I'm gonna drain out, clean out. Yep, that's it, that's it. Put spaghetti in at home, guys. Yep, that's it. Add some more, add on some more oil so they won't stick together. That's it, guys. Yep, and stir, and after that drain out. So simple. And here come party. Cheap and easy. This spaghetti about cost $5 for whole kit. I still have 2 bags left. This is $5. This one about, I would say about $20. It's very cheap. $25 total. Look at how much spaghetti sauce you have. You can eat whole 100 people. It's more than that. You can eat because everybody don't eat too much, and we have so much food anyway. But this is what's add on for party. Okay, guys, let me clean up. Okay, I'm gonna clean the noodle. Let the noodle go. Here, let's clean the noodle. Sorry, guys. Yes. When you do a lot, things happen, but it's safe. Okay, I'm done. Oh yeah. Right here. Clean. Clean. Take out the noodle. Let's do it. Everybody gonna enjoy today. Happy. Everybody very happy and enjoy. Enjoy the noodle. Hot. Good part. See that? Very easy. Yep. You don't want the noodles to stick together. I always add avocado oil. The avocado oil, you don't feel guilty. You have this in the food and just let them get together like this so they won't stick. That is the key. Because the noodle is too much, and I'm gonna add on more oil on the top here. Yes, it makes it taste better. Now the noodle become independent, not stick together. This is spaghetti, guys. So easy. Make it home at home, like I said. Cook at home and turn over like this. Yeah. All right. Everything ready to go. Look at the spaghetti. Looking good, right? Look yummy. Look at the sauce, guys. Sauce. Oh my goodness. That's it. You don't need to go no restaurant. So easy. Okay? Let's save some for the house. When we come home, maybe get honey, so I can save some for myself. Not too much, yes. A little bit. I don't need to do it. The rest go to the party. Go to the party. Okay, well, this is Asian spaghetti. This is the way to go. Look at this. You have to have spring onion. Just, make it look good and taste good, looks good, tastes good, and good flavor at the same time. All right, this is the way to go. Yeah, that's it. And this is the cooking with Chef Sisu. Crazy Rich cooking with Chef Sisu. Look at this spaghetti, ready to go. Spaghetti meatball. And that noodle ready to go too. Look at that. Oh yes, they're gonna be. Oh yes, they love it. Especially the kids, they love American food. So cooked by Lao kids and a lot of American people too. So they will be happy. To say, okay, this is all the Lao food. How they taste? How they taste? But when we come to this, they don't have to ask you nothing. All they do is just dig in there. That's it. Okay, guys. If you like this video, thumbs up, subscribe. I will show you how to cook more easy and cheap. Cook at home, okay? Thank thank you for watching. Bye bye.